Hi guys, so I have a very quick unboxing for you, and I didn't lotion because I don't want to get lotion all over the bag, but I already gave it away. It's a bag. Ugh. Sorry, we are late. We're going out and I just said let me unbox this so I can show it to you before I head out. So here we go. We are currently in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and we went to Louis yesterday and actually picked up a really cute anniversary present. So happy, so grateful, and so I'm just gonna quickly unbox it because I am carrying it today and we are late for a very fun excursion. So this is my box and this is how cutely they wrapped it. I love it already. And so I'm just pulling this off. I'm not gonna undo the knot and just, oh wow, look at that. It's so cute. It's so cute. Okay, so this is, can you guess what it is from the size? You probably can. It's a Félicie in damier et ben. I'm saying that funny because I don't know how to, I'm not French. But damier ben Félicie, and I love this bag because it's, I told Brandon, it's like a 4-in-1. You get the little card holder, you get a little wallet, and you get this chain. Listen, I have seen people, because it has the LV logo right here, I've seen people take this chain and wear it as a belt, necklace, anything, use it on other bags. So this is what the inside looks like. It's got this compartment and this bigger compartment, and you know, you can tuck this in and carry it as a clutch, or you can put these in your other bags. So all in all, really excited about this purchase, and we're gonna head out now, so I'll see you later. Bye. If I do the eben, you can't tell. So definitely no demi eben then.
What?
No eben?
In the Félicie? Yeah.
You have one?
I have.